Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could delete the Google Chrome browsing history. To do that, open your Google Chrome, click on the three dots on the right, and click on History. Again, click on History, or simply you can just click Ctrl H to open History. Next step, on the left panel, Clear Browsing Data. Click on it and select. You have two options, Advanced or you have Basic. For the Basic, it will only delete browsing history and it will only delete cookies and site data, and it will delete cached images and files. You can choose which hours. And for the Advanced, you will have browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, passwords and other signing data, etc. So you can select which options you would like. Also, you can select from when, all the time, plus 4 weeks, 7, 24. Once done, based on which one I have chosen, click Clear Data. Once done, it should be all deleted. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in